This is our pallet lift ergonomic pallet packing station. We've got a pallet pad under our pallet protecting our product from scratching from your timber, your nails and a bit of dirt if you've got it on a pallet. The springs on this turntable keep your boxes at an ergonomic height for you so you're never bending down too low. Pack pallets. This might be overkill, but we're putting an extra pallet pad down just to protect the rest of our boxes. You'll notice as I load cartons that the pallet is lowering on the turntable. This is set by different size springs that we put under our turntable. We can spin the station so that we're always packing in the same corner. Making sure we're not walking too far. Load. This turntable is rated up to 1200 kilos.